Listening to lectures at university can be very difficult. The lecturer is talking in great detail about a topic they're very interested in, and often they're speaking very quickly. Meanwhile, you have to be making notes to help you remember and understand what this person is saying. We're going to give you some tips to help you do this. The most important thing to remember is to not write down every single word that you hear. You see, while you're listening, if you're writing down all of the words, you're going to miss important information, and you're also going to get very frustrated too. So rule number 1, use keywords only. Key? No, key is in important. Words that you need to help you understand the lecture later on. Take the sentence, Joe is a 32-year-old English teacher who works at Swansea University. Well, what words do we need? Probably Joe, 32, English teacher, Swansea University. Rule number 2, use abbreviations. Abbreviations are shorter forms of larger words. These can be of your choosing. Popular abbreviations include positive being pos, university being uni, because from because. So in our example sentence, I wrote Joe 32 Eng teacher works Swan Uni. Rule number 3, remember you don't have to always use words. Use pictures and symbols. They can help us to organise, prioritise and understand our notes. Taking our example sentence about Joe and university, as you can see, symbols can help us to understand the information. Try it yourself. Use these 3 note-taking tips to make lectures much easier to follow.